Next, let's create a variable product. This is perfect for items that come in different sizes, colors, or styles. To do that, go up to the top and click on Add New Product again. I'll give the product a name, which is going to be Multicolored Beanie. You can add a description again if you want to. Then I'm going to scroll all the way down the page back to product data. We're going to change this from simple product to variable product. And we'll want to start by adding in attributes. So we'll click on attributes here. And I'll close out of this little pop-up. Now we can create our custom attribute. We'll start by giving it a name. In my case, I'm selling these multicolored beanies, so I'm going to name this attribute color. But this could be anything depending on your product. If you're selling shirts, you might use size. If you're selling art prints, then maybe it could be a frame type. Whatever options your customer needs to choose from, that's what goes here. Once you've named your attribute, type out the different options and separate them using the pipe symbol. If you can't find it on your keyboard, hold down Shift and look right above your Enter key. Pressing it will reveal this little symbol here, and you'll separate your different options using this symbol. So my beanies are going to be gray, red, and green. Now when my customer goes to my multicolored beanies product page, they can choose between these 3 different colors here. Now, once that's done, go ahead and click on Save Attributes to finalize it. Now that we've saved our attribute, we're ready to move into the Variations tab. Let's go here and click on it on the left-hand side. And this is where we can turn those color options into actual selectable products on your site. We'll be able to set each with its own price, image, and stock settings. Now you'll see 2 options here. You can add each variation manually, which is helpful if you only want to offer a few combinations, or you can generate them automatically from the attributes that we just set. In my case, I'll go with Generate Variations. I'll click on it. Then I'll go to the top of my browser here and click on OK. Now you'll see that those variations have been added down below. Now we can actually add the correct information into each of our variants. Let's start with the gray beanie option here at the top, and we'll go to the right-hand side and click on Edit. Now I can scroll down, and here I can set all of the information just like I would for a regular standalone product. I can start by uploading a custom image here. To do that, I'll simply click on this little image button here. I'll go to Upload Files, click on Select Files, and here I have the 3 images that I'll be using for my variable product. Since I'm editing the gray beanie variant, I'll upload that image here by double-clicking on it. That image will go ahead and upload now. That's now been uploaded here, and I'll click on Set Variation Image. There we can see our product image appear here, and the only thing that we have to set here is the price. I'll set this for $14.99. And once again, you can include a sale price if you want to. Then you have all the other information here if you'd like to include it, like if you're doing inventory, shipping, and whatnot. And then to fill out the rest of the variants, just simply open them up with the Edit button here and fill out the same information. I'm going to go ahead and do that for both the red and the green beanies. I'll fast forward and I'll meet you when it's complete. Okay, so I've now filled out all 3 of the variants with their appropriate information and pictures. One other thing that I want to call out before we move on and publish our product is the default form value block here. If I click into it, I'm able to set a primary color or a primary variation for this product. Let's say that I typically sell this beanie in gray, like that's the main color I'm selling it in. When my customer clicks on my product, it's going to automatically populate with the gray variation. So I'll click on that. Then I'll go down and click on Save Changes to finalize everything here. Next, I'll scroll up, and for my product image, I'll click on Set Product Image again. And since I'm primarily selling the gray beanie, I'll select this image here, and then click on Set Product Image in the bottom right. Now let's scroll up to the top and click on Publish. Now on the left-hand side, let's go back to All Products. And now we have our orange tee and our multicolored beanie products ready to be put onto our website.